Wanderers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to None in Water. And for today's video guys, we are here at the beautiful island of Siargao. So for today's video, we'll go around Siargao Island. And before tamo laa guys, mangaon sa ta. Let's go! Alright guys, we are here at the famous Shaka Cafe here in Siargao. So let's go. Alright, what's up guys? We are here at the naked island of Siargao. This is our first stop, so let's enjoy the view here at the top. So let's go!
Reaching upon satellites, cause my shooting stars don't arrive on time. Wide awake in the dead of night, I've been looking for all the reasons why I feel so lost. I get so
guys, so pag kami human sa Naked Island karon, lunchtime na mo namin dito sa Daku Island together with the troops na to. So diri na to ma-experience ang Boodle Fight nila nga namin kayo may pangalan Siargao, no? Diyan tani guys, after natog kaon ligo, then adto din ta kuno sa kuan Secret Island, pero kitaon na dito Secret Island. Let's go!
Show me the way home. I can't go the way I know. I've been looking for the light. Show me the way home. Show me the way home. Show me the way. Tell me I'm not lost, I'm just wondering. Been counting up the cost of what it means to me. Tell me I'm not lost, I'm just wondering, I'm just wondering. Show me the way home. I can't go the way I know.
Basta sikat gani ka, dili juga sa Starbucks. Sa pang Amerikano.
Starbucks pinay mga books.
Wala yung mga books yan.
Yeah. Foreign condition.
Mga mga books, correct. Mura din yung library. Meron siya. Balon mo ha. Kaya na yung mga books.
Life has been crazy, just wanna be okay. How can I pick up the pieces when everything breaks with every day? I'm getting older, I feel the weight upon my shoulders. I'm strong enough, I'll rise above. It's all gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me.